Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Sims 4 OrangeEmu64.DLL error. All right, let's begin. First, open the Start menu, search for Windows Security, and open it on your computer. From the left panel, click on Protection History. Here you will see a list of blocked programs. Expand each blocked item using the drop-down arrow. If the blocked file belongs to The Sims 4, click Actions and select Allow. If the problem continues, go back to the left panel and select App and Browser Control. Scroll down and open Exploit Protection. Go to Program Settings and click the plus icon to add a program. Choose Add by Program Name and type ts4.exe. If you use the 64-bit version, type ts4x64.exe, then click Add. After adding the program, disable Control Flow Guard and Force Randomization for images by enabling Override and turning both options off. So that's basically how you can fix the Sims 4 OrangeEmu64 DLL error. That's it for this video. Thanks.